Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to explain how to sign up in the platform that we are going to use in this short video series. Now, to sign up, you can head to the link in the description or go to the bonus lecture to find the sign up link. The first step is click on open an account. Now, once you visit the link, you can easily open an account, but you need to understand that opening an account would require a lot of things. First, you have to set the country where you are right now, and then you have to enter your email address and your password. So let's do a quick sign up. I will sign up using my email and click register. Now, once you are done and you click register, you need to make sure that you have selected the right country and the right email address, because you have to verify your address and your identity. Now, you need to check your email for an email to activate your account. So once you visit your email, you will find this verification email in which you can easily click verify email to start the verification process. And once you do that, you can easily move on to the next step in account creation, which is verification. Now, here we have a blue button called Verify Now. Now, once you click on it, you can start the verification process in which you'll have to enter your first name, middle name, last name. You have to enter your date of birth and you have to enter your phone number. All of this information must be an exact match to your electricity bill and to your passport, because they will ask you in the next step to upload your passport and your electricity bill as a proof of address and as a proof of identity. Without these details, you will not be able to move on this website, since this website is dealing with money and it's been doing this for years. So without verifying your identity, they will not allow you to open an account or even deposit money. Now, once you are done and you have successfully verified your account, I cannot walk you through this process because it's about your personal information. You can go on to the next step, which is this step. In this step, you can see we have real account and a demo account. In the next lesson, we will do the following. We will teach you how to use a demo account and what's the difference between a demo account and a real account, and what are the different features available in the platform. Then we'll talk about the feature that this whole video series is about. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.